Hey, what's up? It's Jake from Nimbus DevOps, and I'm here today to talk to you about nested comprehensions. So let's see an example of some nested loops, okay? So I'm going to create some items, A, B, C, D, okay? And then I'm going to make some pairs and with an empty list. And then I will say for A in range, whatever the length of items is, I want to say for each of those, for B in range A, oops, not sorry, A, but also length items, pairs, so my list, dot append, we're going to go items, items A, comma, items B. Do I need, I've got two, yeah, okay. So if we do this, and then at the end, we'll just print pairs and see what we get. Okay, let's clear this out, and we'll say Python nested A B A C A D B B B C B D C C C D and D D. Okay. So what does this do? All the tuples of the same letter are now where B is at the same position as A. So what happens if you translate this to list comprehension? Well, let's take out print pairs, and we'll use the same items, but we're going to do something else. We're gonna say let's see, pairs 2. We'll make a pairs 2. I don't like typing out words like that. Let's just say P. You should make meaningful variables, but I'm not doing that right now. Okay, so P is going to be items A and items B, and then we're going to say for A in range length items, for B in range A length items, items, something like this. In range, I need a parenthesis. There. Okay. For A in range length item. So this version is 2 lines long, and it should be like something like that. And then you can figure it out from there. Because the for loop over B has a dependency on A, it has to follow the for loop over A in the comprehension. If you swap them around, you'll end up getting a name error. So this, I don't like this at all. It's not my favorite way of doing this, but it is possible to do nested comprehensions, right? P dot append. Yeah. And then you would need something here like that, something like that. So what I could do, oh, I know why this is going to give me problems. If I made this one line, just to make this, you're probably like, what is he doing? It would look like this. Okay, something like this. There. So this would be the list comprehension version, which to me looks awful. I think it's not nearly as readable. If you're trying to save, like, hey, I did it one line, like as a challenge, then sure. But the whole point of this is to show you that you can nest for loops inside of a list to do list comprehension, the same as you would nest for loops vertically in a code block. So, yeah, that is it. If you have any questions about that, let me know. But if not, try to create some items, a string of some sort, a list of numbers, whatever, and then see if there's a use case you can think of that this might, for like what you do at work or something like that, that you could see like having to use some sort of nested loops to do something that creates a list and see if you can figure it out.